It starts as a plan, a slab, a frame, a roller door, and then, quietly, it becomes something else. It becomes where he taught you to hold the drill properly, where your prized possessions are protected and secured and ready to be showcased as you embark on your next adventure, where the feed is stored, the stock attended, and where the animals and everything else that relies on you gets looked after, where the family connects, memories are created, and the ones you hold close never feel far away, where there's always a mate when you need one. Every shed is different, and every story is unique, which brings your structure to life. It's more than a shed. For over 35 years, Fair Dinkum Builds has been building more than sheds Australians rely on. Australian made, local experts, no gimmicks. It's more than a shed, it's Fair Dinkum.